Namaste. This guided meditation from Yoga Vijnana Foundation focuses on fifth of 112 different techniques of Vijnana Bhairava, where the focus is on Shambhavi Mudra technique for meditation. As it is all about experiencing the practice, please practice with the video and don't just watch the video. And for the same reason, after explaining the steps of meditation, this video will just become audio so that you can practice listening to it. You can find the timelines for different aspects of the video in the description below. Shambhavi Mudra is about observing the eyebrow center. It is also called as Bhrumadhya Drishti. It is a popular technique mentioned in yogic text to go inwards. It is said that when one fixes one's attention to the eyebrow center, naturally one will witness everything that is happening around. We will not react to things, but will just witness things. Eyebrow center is also known to have a magnetic pull. Once we are focused in any meditation technique, our eyes will naturally go inwards to look at the eyebrow center. And those who have attended the Trataka workshop at Yoga Vijnana would have even felt this at the eyebrow center as the focus deepens. Also, by looking at the eyebrow center, we will remain more focused. So when the attention is focused, the vision comes to eyebrow center. And when our vision is focused on the eyebrow center, our attention becomes more powerful. So when the focus is sharper, the eyebrow center will become more active. And this activation of eyebrow center will activate pineal gland, which has many powerful benefits, particularly when practiced on a full moon day. We will make a separate video on this aspect later. We shall be doing the practice step by step, and the entire practice including Shambhavi Mudra will be done with closed eyes. We'll start the meditation with a prayer, and then we'll do a few rounds of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama followed by a guided Omkara chanting. There are many benefits of chanting Omkara on a full moon day, which we'll explain in some other video later. After Omkara chanting, we'll be practicing Shambhavi Mudra meditation, where I'll be guiding you step by step throughout the practice. Finally, we will end the practice with a closing prayer. And for those who don't know Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, let me explain quickly. You're going to take your hand in Nasika Mudra. Either you bend these two fingers, bring your little finger and your ring finger together and keep it like this, or you can even alternatively, you can even just keep it like this. So there are two options for doing this. And after doing this, you exhale from both the nostrils, close your right, inhale from your left, close left, exhale right, then inhale right, close, exhale left. So this is how you are going to do the practice. Okay, and those who are not comfortable sitting on the floor can sit on the chair as well for the practice. This is our community initiative to create awareness and spread the knowledge of different kinds of meditation, and welcome all the meditators who are interested to guide the meditation in the future. Please check the link in the description for more details and to donate for Yoga Vijnana Foundation. Thank you so much. Alright, we'll start. Sit straight. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your back straight. Those who want to make yourself comfortable can sit on a bolster or a blanket or a brick, whatever you have. Slowly inhale and extend your spine. Allow your chest to expand with inhalation. And as you exhale, roll your shoulders back and drop your shoulders down. Allow your buttocks to drop down and sink into the floor with every exhalation. Breath by breath, get connected. Observe the breath, flow of your breath at the tip of the nostril. With each breath, prepare your mindset for the practice. A beginner's mindset to explore, experiment, and experience. With these conditions, let us begin the session by chanting 3 Omkaras, followed by a prayer. All together inhale. Om. Second round, inhale. Third round, inhale. Adopt Namaskara Sthiti and repeat after me. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidhyakena Yopakarottam Pravaram Munina Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly rub your palms. Massage your face, arms, wrists and fingers. Sit straight. Bring your awareness to your breath. Start observing your breath at the tip of the nostril. Just observe the flow of your breath and feel the sensation of your breath. With this awareness on the breath at the tip of the nostril, we'll go to the practice of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama at your own pace. Whenever you are ready, start the practice of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. with an exhalation from the left nostril. Complete the cycle and stop the practice. Now we'll go to the practice of Omkara chanting. We're going to chant Omkaras one after the other together. All together, inhale, first round. Oh. Second round, inhale. Oh. Next round, inhale. Oh. 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 Feel the vibrations of the chanting. Feel the vibrations resonating in your entire head region and just going down to your shoulders, your arms, your chest, going all the way down, and feel the resonance in the entire body. Allow the vibrations of Omkara to penetrate deeper. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Start observing your breath at the tip of the nostril. Follow your breath. Slow, soft inhalation. Slow, soft exhalation. Feel the flow of your breath at the tip of the nostril. Observe the natural rhythm of your breath without trying to change anything. Just observe the breath as it flows. Feel the sensation of your breath. Cool air going into the nostril with every inhalation. Warm air coming out of the nostril with every exhalation. Stay with the sensation. At the tip of the nostril. Now follow the sensation deep into the nostril. See how deep you can feel the sensation of your breath with every breath. As your breath becomes deeper and deeper, you may start feeling the breath deep inside your nose. As you start feeling the breath deep inside your nose, move your eyeballs inwards towards your eyebrow center. Stay focused on this point between the eyebrows without opening your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. Just move your vision inwards. Your complete attention is towards this eyebrow center. Some of you may be able to feel the breath flowing, or rather touching this space between the eyebrow center as you inhale and exhale. At any point during the practice, if your mind starts wandering and if you're disturbed by your thoughts, don't feel any kind of negative emotion towards this. The moment you realize, calmly bring your awareness back to your breath. And your vision to the eyebrow center. Feel the touch of your breath with each cycle going through the eyebrow center. If anyone is feeling headache or heaviness in the head, just drop the effort. If you try too hard to focus on the eyebrow center, you create more strain. You're just effortlessly looking at this point. Reduce the tension in your forehead, in your eyebrows, relax them. The more calmer the
facial muscles are, the more easier to do the practice. And to do that, just drop the effort. The whole idea is to do this with as minimal effort as possible. As you stay focused on the eyebrow center, some of you may feel kind of some sensations there, some feeling in the eyebrow center. Just observe, no need to react to it. And if you don't feel anything, it's okay. You're not expecting anything during the practice. You're just observing as it is. If it happens, happens. If it doesn't happen, so it's okay. Just observe, make your effort to stay with the breath and to stay with the effort of observing the eyebrow center. From this, focus on the eyebrow center Bring your awareness back to your breath and start observing your breath at the tip of the nostril. Feeling the sensation of your breath as you inhale and exhale. From this awareness of your breath at the tip of the nostril, bring your awareness back to your physical body by gently moving your fingers and your toes. Just feel the sensation of movement throughout the physical body. Let us conclude the session by chanting 3 Omkaras in low pitch, followed by a prayer for the well-being of everyone. Altogether, slowly inhale. Oh. Second round, inhale. Oh. Third round, inhale. Oh. Adopt Namaskara Sthiti. Repeat after me. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Massage your face, arms, wrists, and fingers. Catch your right wrist with your left hand behind your back. Inhale once and exhale, bend forward and surrender within. Slowly inhale, come up, and slowly open your eyes. Thank you.